but you got to go cut it. You have to go cut the Was that another? That wasn't. Okay, that was the flat. Right yes, it was. See, I told you.
Right there.
We just had it again. That's number 7. That's number 7. Thunder snow here in Kansas City now. We've had a couple of bolts. So this is the energy coming up again from the south. And what's really interesting is notice we can't even see the city now. It's all like a whiteout. So the visibilities come down, the snow intensities come up. Think about it. When you're in rain, a lot of times when you're in a thunderstorm, it's heavier precipitation. And that's exactly what we've got going on. The only thing is, the same thing's happening in the thunderstorm. It's just happening above the cold air. So it's all frozen. It's all frozen. And that's what we've got going on here in Kansas City. Woo! I knew that scraping would get me some kind of good luck today. Either way, this was not fun yesterday. I want to go back to north of Wichita yesterday because I want to show everybody this commonality, something to look for when you're driving over an overpass. First of all, a lot of slipping and sliding. There wasn't even a 1/10 of an inch of precip here, but it just glazed over everything. It glazed over everything here, as you can see. And that caused tractor trailers to jackknife for hundreds of thousands of square miles out there across Kansas. A lot of that in the area now is all snow, all right, heavy snow, 1 to 2 inch per hour snow. Here we are coming across the road. Look at that, turning into the spin. Notice the commonality here. Everybody that's coming over that bridge, that's when they start to slide. So you're coming around at an angle, right? You've got momentum on your tail, and that starts the spin. Everybody's got momentum. All the mass, the weight, is on the tail of your vehicle coming around that corner. And it's really over that bridge and overpass that we see the spin going on. All those examples, every single one of them. Now, a lot of times you could control it, but with a big rig like that, that's a lot of weight. That's a lot of mass on the backside of that thing. So he went into a fishtail just like this guy, right in through here. Likely you're going too fast, number one. And when you go over those bridges and overpasses, and this could be a lesson for you today in Paducah, in Lexington, potentially into Jackson, Kentucky, where we're expecting more freezing rain. Be on the lookout for those bridges and overpasses because they freeze first. Okay, they freeze first, and that's where the problem is. All right, Molly, do we have the radar with the lightning over Kansas City? If we do, I want to show you guys this because there's so much. Oh, God, it just happened again. This is nuts. Boom! Guess where we're standing this morning? You see the yellow light? That's it, right there. That's where we're standing this morning. Boom! Thunder snow right over Kansas City. Absolutely nuts. Steve, this is the 7th time this has happened to us. Can you believe this? This is crazy. But also notice the darker blue. So, you got these convective bands that are coming from the south to the north, and then boom, thunder and lightning with those. So, guys, heavier snow on the way, certainly as all these bands come on through here. We have not mixed in with sleet at all, just a heavy snow coming down right now in downtown Kansas City. Do we get double-digit snowfall? Likely, yes. All right, and this will be one of our bigger snowfalls, I think, especially if we don't mix in with sleet. Kelly and Reynolds, it's been a good day at the office. Back to you.
So that's like once during commercial break and then twice just now live on the air.
I got nothing. It's one of the coolest things in the whole world. When you've got Jim Cantori out in a weather situation and you've got thunder snow that happens on cue, I mean, that's all the stars are lining up. It's beautiful.